workshop series. I finally made it after 4 seasons. We are outdoors. So I've chosen Galen Beach as my outdoor location today. My plan is to use a 12 by 16 canvas and start painting the location around me. But we have some business to take care of. I have a twist to reveal. And my challenge twist is a double elimination, which means I have to go back to my art supplies and eliminate 2 art supplies that I don't need for this challenge today. So after looking at everything, I'm going to eliminate 1 paint and 1 oil pastel from the entire group. So why don't we hop in and get started. Alright, my challenge is completed, so let's talk about the piece. I really like the fact that I came in prepared with the amount of colors that I had. The double elimination didn't really throw me off this time because I was able to come in and know that I was going to use blue, white, brown, and that's really all I needed. The green that I eliminated today I didn't need to use for the piece at all. So that concludes this episode of the workshop. Next week I will be bringing back the themes from a hat. Till then, see you on the next episode.